let's take a look at Conquest first. And again, like I said, I don't think you guys are going to have a lot of trouble with this because you're a more advanced group. But let's play through it and see if we run into any issues, and we'll go from there.
Are we going to count the rest of the beginning?
No, just start right at measure 3. 1, 2, 3. As I expected, you're not going to have much. So your big challenge for this, hey, glad to have you, come on in. So your big challenge for this is going to be knowing, really this should be everybody's big challenge for this, but since you guys are more advanced, your big challenge is going to be knowing everybody else's part. Because, excuse me, again, at the beginning, or when we started to rehearse this piece, what did we play first? Yeah, our drone tone down there, right? And then what was the other one? The Melody Mayhem. So we need to be listening when we have that drone tone. We need to be listening for who has that Melody Mayhem. Okay. Let's look at. Take a look at 27 one more time here, and see if we can get even more behind those accents, a little more T behind them. And what does an accent mean?
It makes the note louder than all the other notes.
Okay, I don't necessarily like the word louder because that just means that we're kind of like, you know, it's some kind of
Fuller.
Louder, fuller, and
Sharp energy.
but yeah, more energy, or it makes it stand out. So you had the right idea. Yeah, so it stands out from the other notes.
My Hannah, she asked me something, and I said it makes more noise. And then she yelled at me for saying noise.
Yeah, we don't ever want to make noise. All right, so 27, a little more like this. A little more behind each note. 27. 1, 2, 3. What do you think we're going to do on that whole note to make it more interesting? Okay, so, yeah, we got to do something with it, right? Or else it's just going to sit there like, I don't know, a rock. No one wants to listen to that. Nope. Isn't that a little more interesting?
Yeah.
Let's try and do that. 27 again. 1, 2, let's try. Very musical. Good. All right, so that was a nice little warm up because that's practically warm up for you guys. Let's look at Windsor, please. It's very important that we look at this one today because we're going to look at this in band as well.
After this, the way that we start all the way through. We'll
see.
And then we do Star Wars all the way through.
If
Jeez,
you're
now.
we'll see. We'll see what we get to here because we really need to look at this one for today.
Okay. Are you gonna put the way through?
Let's start at the beginning and then we might jump around a little bit. Jump around. All right. Beginning. Come on there. Come on. Get with it. 1, 2, beginning. All right.
Oh, we have different.
Very good. Very intuitive of you to notice that. Yeah. So you have your parts are a little bit different. Let's play it. Or first, can anybody tell me where do they become different?
Oh, measure 2. Oh, I don't know what measure. I just know like we have second, she has third. Measure 4.
Oh, here's another good point. Does anybody else have first in here?
I have 5. Wait, she has
Here, why don't you
I have
come
first.
trade seats with Tristan? So our first players can sit together, hear each other. Take the music.
Wait, so everyone else is second here?
Yeah.
Alright.
Everyone else is second. So you guys can hear each other a little better. And remember, we want to do this in band class today too, because we want to be able to hear each other, listen across, and hear the people that are playing our same part. Yes.
She doesn't have her music when she's first. Like I have my music.
You play first part? Okay, then why don't you come down here too? Okay, so everyone just stand up and move down here. Oh, no. Leave your chair there.
Darn it.
Darn it. Come on, hurry up. Wasting time.
One.
Wasting time. It's not my favorite thing to do. Everybody just move down here.
Okay, so now we can share this thing.
So where do we split up again? Measure 2. Yes.
Wait, I am second.
Oh my goodness.
Seriously, Kaylee.
Oh, come on now.
She's first. Oh,
No, you gotta play with the seconds.
oh.
Yeah, do it again. Come on.
Sorry.
Do it quickly. That's alright. It's alright, just do it quickly.
Again.
Because guys, this is important. This is important. So yeah, we split it measure 2. So let's play from the beginning again. Then I'm going to ask you an interesting question. Let's ask you to try something for me. Be sure you're listening to the other people's parts.
Oh, yeah, that would be fun.
Now play what's on the page. But that's not what's on the page. Let's play together. 1, 2, beginning. And. Okay.
Oh, I know.
I don't know what I'm going to ask you.
She can read your mind.
I know. It's
Scary.
a skill that only mothers really have. Okay.
She's not a mother.
If you are, I know you're not. if you are a second, if you're a second clarinet player, I would like you to sing the first clarinet part without looking at their part. So let's try it. Let's try and sing it together without looking at their part. 1, 2, ready, and. Yep. Okay, so that was close. But that's the idea. That's what we want to get to the point of, where we can sing the other person's part. That's how well you know their part. That's when we'll know we're really ready to play this piece. That's the skill we need. Okay. Beginning one more time, then we're going to move on to something else. No. We're just another part of this piece. 1, 2, beginning. Yeah, we're gonna move on to something different. Let's go to measure 42. Measure 42. Now, what does this look like?
The beginning.
The beginning.
With B's and G's and A's.
Okay. And what is? Does anybody remember what's interesting about this part of the music? Oh, that's in the conquest piece. Why is this important for you guys in particular?
Because some other people are playing like. Oh, I know.
You're playing it by yourself, like with nobody else.
Really?
Nobody. It's just you.
Just the clarinets.
Just clarinets and percussion.
Hear some of these.
This is the clarinet solo.
Everybody else gets like
42.
Alright.
I don't know. 42. Refocus.
We had up on the house.
Refocus. You guys have the potential to be really, really good when you're focused. 42. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, what note is that?
Let's try that. Let's try that one more time from, just go from 42 again.
Wait, I have a question.
Yes.
Never mind. I don't understand how to do that like that. You just did it.
Yeah, alright. Let's do it together. Do it together at 42. Now that you've looked at it for a second. 1, 2, 3, 2. Much closer. Just the second clarinets. Just the second clarinet. Be careful. Second clarinets. 1, 2. Let's go from
Beginning?
2 measures before 50.
I like those. Oh, okay.
How about four measures before 50? Do, do, day, do.
Why can't we fill as Wait, I have a question. Does red clarinet sound weird?
No.
Okay.
Let's go 4 before 50. 1.
So
Second clarinets. If you listen, you'll open Close your mouths. Open your ears. 4 before 50. 1, 2, 3, and.
Wait, this is the B we're playing, right? Like the
B, yeah, B,
and then
B flat.
No, it's B natural. That's B natural.
Wait, no, B flat because
That
look,
one's
it's the
B
key
flat.
signature. So
Then why is it right up
okay, I get it now.
Listen, listen. Oop, that's not it. Yeah, you just add fingers. Add fingers, because it's a B flat, not B natural. No, you play it. You play it. 1, 2 seconds, go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Just that measure. Do, 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 do. 1, 2, ready, and. Do, just that, ready, go. Starting on a D, right? Do, do, do. Just adding fingers all the way down. Ready, go. Starting on those eighth notes, it starts on an E. I'm sorry. Starting on an E. 1, 2, on an E, and. Just play that B flat for me. Ready? Play. Okay. Try that again.
B flat.
that's a B. This
B
is
flat.
Oh,
That's
that's
B
B flat. And then there's B natural to match the.
Yeah. So here we go. Just that whole eighth note run now. E, D, C, B flat, A. Just the eighth notes. 1, 2 seconds. Go. All right. 4 before 50. First and seconds. Let's add you guys to the mix. I would have to look it up.
I think it's this one.
All right. Not relevant right now. We need to do something. We need to continue. Come on. Need to continue. From 4 before 50. 1. Right? Sit tall. 1, 2, 3, and. That's more like it. Okay. Now, let's look at. Where's that stuff? No. Clarinets. 16, 15, 14, 13. Measure 13. So where do you come in after you rest, after the beginning part?
Oh, okay.
Measure 13.
So we're medium.
Yeah, medium soft. Very good. Let's play that together. So we should have an F and an A going on at the same time.
And the F is 3 counts.
Yep. Measure 13.
Yeah, we did too. No.
I'm sorry. Between first part and second part, there should be, you're in harmony right there. So you start, first part's playing an A, you're playing an F. Okay? So let's play there, 13. 1, 2, 3, and.
Wait, okay. I was
Let's try that.
confused on 50.
Yeah, let's just give it another try. We haven't really
50,
played
the
this.
G is only 2 counts, but there's no little.
Wait,
One little.
2, So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. But it's
No,
not.
it's 1, 2, 3, 1.
Look at that half note. Is that 2 beats or is that something else?
2 beats.
What?
1, 2. Wait, what?
Okay. What's on that half note?
On 15.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were looking at 13.
Oh no, 15. 15.
All right. Let's play 13 one more time. 1, 2, 13, and. Three, 4, 1, 2, and. Okay, stop right there. In that section, we go from that, like the longer, the dotted half notes, and the longer, back to our beginning fanfare-like section, right? So we need to make that contrast a lot. Make those really different.
I have a question. For here, like how we have the slower part, should we play softer, and then for like the fast part, should we play louder?
That's a very good question. When you have longer notes, what do you think is going on in other parts?
They have the note.
They could, right? Something more interesting, the longer the notes are, probably the softer you want to be. Because you got to be listening around for who has that more interesting part. Why don't you guys play at 13 and I'll sing the melody. You guys play at 13, I'll sing the melody. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Okay? But listen to how soft it'll probably be. Don't ever play louder than I'm singing. 1, 2, ready, 13. Who do you think has that?
Brass.
Brass.
Flute.
Saxophones. Flutes. Flutes have them. So chances are it's going to be quieter than you, right? Because that's a more quiet instrument. So that's a very, very good point that you just made. That we really need to listen around to make sure we can hear that melody. All right. Yes. Do they?
Yeah.
Yes. They only play on beat 1 though. Well, when we're getting into measure 17, then you'll be getting louder. So you've been doing really well with that. Great crescendos. Okay. Go at measure 26. 26. Do you see long notes or short notes? More long notes. So who do you think? Do you think you have a melody or somebody else?
Somebody else.
Someone else probably does. It's the flutes. Flutes.
You're not break your clarinet.
Yeah, be careful. All right. All right, let's go at 26. 26. And we are not playing the same things here, so stick to your own part. Stay in your own lane. I'll play with the firsts. 1, 2, 3, and. 6. Yeah, right on that note in that measure. Yeah, because you get a moving part right there. And we're just going to get a little bit bigger into 34, into section 34. Because what happens at 34? What are you playing at 34?
Oh, we're playing the love song.
Yeah, have you played that before?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just did, right? So to make it a little more interesting, he said, okay, we're going to go from the piano, we're going to take it up just a notch. Right?
I think it was a she.
I'm sorry, yeah, you're right. It is a she. Anne McGinty. You guys are smart. I'm dumb. You know that music, that teachers make mistakes too?
Yeah.
Now you do. All right, there we go. Yes, student teachers, student creatures. 50. 50, please. Let's see if we can go all the way to the end here.
Yay!
And from the beginning or from 50?
From 50.
Okay.
Then can we go from the beginning to end?
I don't think we're going to have time. 50, hurry up, let's go. 50. 1, 2, 3, and. Whoa, how many beats does that get? 4 whole beats.
What? Oh, I measure 4.
4 whole beats. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and. Yep. All right, so that ending looks like the beginning, right? But is it really quite the same as the beginning?
No.
No, so just be aware of that as we go into it today. All right. Excellent, excellent lesson.
Do we have to